Understanding GPS vehicle tracking with Inner Fleet. Have you ever wondered how businesses keep track of their cars and trucks? They use something called GPS vehicle tracking, and one of the easiest tools for this is the Inner Fleet GPS tracking app. What is GPS vehicle tracking? GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It uses satellites to find out where a vehicle is in real time. A small GPS device is placed in the vehicle, which talks to these satellites and figures out its exact location. This information is then sent to the Interfleet app, so you can see where the vehicle is on a map. How does Interfleet work? Interfleet makes vehicle tracking simple. 1. Installing the GPS device. A small GPS device is put in each vehicle. This device talks to GPS satellites to find out where the vehicle is. 2. Sending location data. The GPS device sends the location data to the Interfleet app. 3. Real-time monitoring. Using the Interfleet app, you can see where each vehicle is in real time on a map. You can also see things like the vehicle's speed and where it has been. 4. Alerts and notifications. Interfleet can send you alerts if a vehicle is speeding, being used without permission, or needs maintenance. Benefits of GPS vehicle tracking. Using a GPS tracking system like Interfleet has many benefits. Better management. You can see where your vehicles are at all times, helping you plan routes better and save time and money. Improved security. If a vehicle is stolen, you can quickly find out where it is and recover it. Safer driving. By monitoring how drivers behave, you can encourage safer driving and reduce accidents. Cost savings. Managing your vehicles more efficiently means spending less on fuel and maintenance. Easy reporting. Interfleet can create reports to help you follow regulations and make better business decisions. Conclusion. GPS vehicle tracking with Interfleet helps you keep track of your vehicles easily. It's not just about knowing where your vehicles are. It's about making your business run more smoothly and keeping your vehicles safe. Whether you manage a fleet of delivery trucks or just want to keep an eye on your personal vehicles, Interfleet makes tracking simple and effective. It's all about gaining control and peace of mind.